Coloring Magician AI is one of the most talked about AI tools recently, and in this review, I'll break down the 7 crucial things you need to know before you dive in. If you're someone who's just heard about this software and wondering if it's the real deal, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether it's worth your time. Before I jump into the details, if you want to try Coloring Magician AI for free, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Now, let's get into it. First off, Coloring Magician AI is designed to revolutionize the way you approach digital artwork, specifically focusing on turning sketches into full color masterpieces. This software uses advanced machine learning algorithms to take black and white sketches and automatically add color, providing you with an incredibly easy and efficient way to create vibrant, polished images. Whether you're a graphic designer, digital artist, or just someone who loves experimenting with art, this tool can save you hours of tedious coloring work. One of the key features of Coloring Magician AI is its intuitive user interface. Unlike many complex AI tools that require a steep learning curve, this software is built for simplicity. The process is incredibly straightforward. You upload your sketch and the AI goes to work, filling in the colors based on what it recognizes from the drawing. It's so easy to use that even beginners can dive straight in without needing advanced technical skills. Now, what sets this software apart is its accuracy in color choices. The AI doesn't just randomly throw in colors, it analyzes the subject matter and applies shades that match the context. So, if you're working on a portrait, it will choose skin tones and hair colors that look natural. If it's a landscape, the AI will opt for realistic greens for trees, blues for the sky, and so on. This level of precision is what makes Coloring Magician AI stand out in the crowded AI space. Another great thing about this software is its ability to customize results. While the default colors are already spot on, you can tweak them to your liking. If the software colors an area in a way you don't love, you can manually adjust the palette, making it perfect for users who want a bit more control over the final outcome. Speed is another major selling point. This AI tool is lightning fast. What used to take hours of painstaking work can now be done in a matter of minutes. Imagine you've got a project deadline and you need to color dozens of sketches. This is the kind of tool you'll want to have on hand. It's efficient, saves time, and helps you meet your creative goals without burnout. As with any new AI software, there are some limitations to be aware of. While Coloring Magician AI does a fantastic job with most sketches, extremely complex or abstract artwork might not yield perfect results, but for the vast majority of typical digital art, the software works like a charm. One last thing to mention is that the software is always improving. The developers are constantly updating the algorithms to make the results even more accurate and customizable. So, if you find that the AI doesn't quite nail the colors at first, don't worry. Chances are it'll get better with future updates. To wrap things up, Coloring Magician AI is a powerful, easy-to-use tool that's a game changer for digital artists. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, it simplifies the coloring process while giving you a stunning final product. If you're curious to try it out for yourself, remember to click the first link in the description below to access a free trial. And by the way, after trying thousands of AI tools, I've compiled my personal recommendations for the best AI software in the description. So make sure to check those out after you try Coloring Magician AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.